Parikshit Randad, student class 9 Birla International School. I am here to share my views on the National Mathematics Day. So let's begin. I have not trodden though a conventional university course, but I am striking out a new path for myself. I have made a special investigation of divergence series in general, and the results I get are termed by the local mathematician as Starling. Yes, I am talking about a great person. Any guesses? Charles Darwin? No. Shakespeare? No. Rene Descartes? No. Yes, you got it right. I am talking about a great person that is nicknamed as the person who knew infinity. Srinivasa Ramanujan. The mathematics has always been a subject of extreme. The word mathematics gives terror to most students, whereas there is a small percentage who loves it to the core. The National Mathematics Day is celebrated on 22nd of December, which is the birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan, an Indian mathematician born to change the future of maths. He was never formally trained in the subject, yet he became one of the greatest mathematicians of all the time. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a world-renowned Indian mathematician, nicknamed as the man who knew the infinity, who had uncanny mathematical manipulative abilities. He excelled in number theory and modular functions. He made significant contribution to development of partition function and summation formulas involving pi. The former Prime Minister of India, Manmohan Singh, announced 22nd December as the National Mathematics Day to mark the 125th birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa never got formal training for this extraordinary capabilities in maths. But initially he was gifted with it. He could quickly solve the most robust mathematical problems within minutes. It could be dread for most, but still it is a subject that is loved by many. Without mathematics, it would become impossible to deal with a daily course, even if you're eating Golgappas. Maths is everywhere, from shopping to paying our helpers to running a big business or a tiny one. The big basics of mathematics are required everywhere. If one fails to understand that, one will have to suffer in the future for it. So, one should at least try to know the most of the subject as it is like salt. If there are no maths, there will be nothing. One could not imagine their lives without numbers. Thank you so much.